Welcome students. We discussed last topic about the cotton industry. We started agro-based industry. In agro-based industry, we explain cotton industry. In this topic, we discuss about the jute industry. What are the main features of jute industry? India is the largest producer of raw material jute and second in the production of jute goods in the world in the term of export. It means that jute is large quantity produced in India and the production of goods of jute exported in other country. Industry mainly located in the West Bengal along the Hooghly River. So jute industries are mostly found in West Bengal. West Bengal is the largest producer of sugar, jute and sugar along with the Hooghly River. Now area West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha. These are the mainly jute producing states. Now factor contributing to the growth of jute. Water for processing. Jute. When we get jute in raw material, large quantity water is needed for its refinement. Then cheap labor. Jute industries wanted cheap labor because largest labor is needed in the jute. Then banking facilities are also necessary. Port facilities are also necessary for the jute industries. Now which type of problem occur in the jute industry? Less in demand. The jute goods are less in demand. People demand less jute goods. Why they demand less? Because due to the high cost of high cost of jute, high production cost. When we prepare the things of jute, it is costly, and due to the cost, highly costly, the demand of the goods of jutes are less in the market. Then there is other problem, that is stiff competition, because in the market synthetic substitutes are found and there will be stiff competition with jute industry. Now major export and import of jute industries: USA, Canada, Ghana, Saudi Arabia. These are the mainly exporter and importer of jute industries. Now firstly we read cotton industry, now we read jute industry. Jute industry is the largest producer of jute and largest production of jute in the world in the term of export. Jute industries are mainly located in West Bengal and near to the Hooghly River. Why Hooghly River? Near the Hooghly River, because Hooghly River provided water to the jute industry. Now next is sugarcane industry. Sugar industry. What is the raw material of sugar industry? Sugarcane. So what are the features? Let's discuss like the jute industry. Sugar industry is a heavy industry. Mean here investment is more than 5 crore and weight losing, because these industry have waste losing industries. Perishable things are produced. Perishable things are those things which spoil after some time. We cannot store these type of things for a long time. Mainly located close to the sugarcane producing state. So sugarcane industries are located where sugarcane is produced, like UP, Punjab, Haryana. These states are the most sugarcane producing state, and sugarcane industries are located there. Last and final features of sugarcane industry is this one, that seasonal in nature. Sugarcane industries are found in nature. Because why sugarcane industry is seasonal? Because in the season, only one season, we can grow the sugar and we can provide the sugarcane as a raw material to the sugar industry. Which area are sugarcane producing? Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Bihar, Haryana, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. These are the largest producer of sugarcane, and these states provide sugarcane to the sugar industry. Which factors are now contributing to the growth of sugar industry? Sugar industry is mostly located near to the mills. Why near to the mills? Because sugarcane mills provide sugarcane as a raw material to the sugarcane. It costs low, because when we get sugarcane from far off places, the bringing of sugarcane is highly costly. And transport facility, mainly transport facilities are, if transport facilities are good, sugarcane industries develop more. Good roads, sugarcane come from far off the places to the mills. If our roads are good, then these sugarcane industries got raw material in a proper way. And these industries needed successful cooperation with public and private sector both. So this sector means sugarcane industries provided needed cooperation of the government. Now sugarcane industries faces which type of problem we discuss here? Delay in transportation. First problem is delay in transportation. Why delay in transportation? Because our roads are so busy. So due to the problem of transportation, raw material did not reach at a proper time to these mills. So delay in transportation is a major problem in this industry. Season nature, in only one season we can grow the sugar, and that's why this industry is a called season nature industries. Old and insufficient method of production. Those method and those technology we use in sugar industry, that methods are old and inefficient. Now irregular power supply. These industries did not get regular supply but irregular supply. So this is the major problem in the sugarcane industry. Poor infrastructure. Due to the poor infrastructure such as road, lack of communication, lack of means of transport, not developed means of transport, these industries did not get raw material as a proper time. So these are the major demands of the sugarcane industry. So students, we discuss about the agro-based industry. In this industry we read about the three types. Firstly cotton industries, then jute industries, then sugar industries. So in next part we have discussed mineral based industries. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.